Welcome back to Product Critique, where we delve into the world of innovative products to bring you the best of the best.
Today, we're diving into the realm of gardening with a product that's been making waves in the propagation scene. Introducing the YSSY Spread 10 Packs Medium-Sized Plant Rooting Grow Propagation Ball. This, my friends, is the pinnacle of propagation innovation. The YSSY Spread Rooting Grow Propagation Ball is not your average rooting ball. Oh no, it's in a league of its own. Let's break down what makes this product the best of the best. First off, convenience.
These rooting balls are transparent, allowing you to easily observe root formation and monitor soil moisture levels without disturbing the plant. It's like having X-ray vision for your plants.
But wait, there's more.
Made from high-quality PP plastic, these balls are not only durable but also reusable.
Say goodbye to flimsy, one-time use propagation tools. With the YSSY Spread Rooting Grow Propagation Ball, you'll be propagating plants like a pro for years to come.
And the best part? These balls are designed for both indoor and outdoor use, with no damage to the parent plant. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a newbie looking to expand your green thumb, these propagation balls have got you covered.
So there you have it, folks.
The YSSY Spread Rooting Grow Propagation Ball is hands down the best propagation ball on the market. Don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and watch your plants thrive like never before.
That's all for today on Product Critique. Stay tuned for more reviews on the latest and greatest products.